Hello and welcome. Are you curious about the latest diet trend everyone is talking about? In this video, we'll be discussing the keto diet, what it is, how it works, and whether it's the right choice for you. So let's get started. The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is a high-fat, low-carb diet that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. The idea behind the diet is to put your body in a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. So how does the keto diet work? When you drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake, your body starts producing ketones, which are molecules that your body can use for energy. By relying on ketones instead of glucose from carbohydrates, your body becomes more efficient at burning fat, resulting in weight loss. But the benefits of the keto diet go beyond weight loss. Many people have reported increased energy levels, better mental clarity, and improved digestion. Some even use the keto diet as a treatment for certain medical conditions, such as epilepsy and type 2 diabetes. However, the keto diet isn't for everyone. It can be challenging to stick to, especially in the beginning, as you'll need to drastically reduce your intake of carbs and increase your intake of healthy fats. You may also experience keto flu symptoms, such as fatigue, headaches, and nausea, as your body adjusts to the new diet. So there you have it, the keto diet in a nutshell. While it may not be the right choice for everyone, it's worth considering if you're looking to lose weight or improve your overall health. As with any diet, it's essential to talk to your doctor before starting, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. And check out the link in the description for an easy keto diet plan. See you in the next one.